I finished. This my third battle self is a week. So I finished swapping in the brake pads. So as you can see now, these are the new ones. They are in. Um, so but here, so you can see the new brake pad is in, but this outer one, for some reasons, this one did not have much gap, this space, and I did all I could to be able to create gap so that I could put the new pad, but the space couldn't enter the new pad, and I've checked, it's not from the caliper. As what I mean is, the caliper has gotten to the end. So I've been trying to wonder why. I don't know. All I could say here is it's as if I don't know. It's supposed to be for this rotor. This one has a 006 engraved on the caliper, while this one has 03 here. 03. So I can't see anything wrong with the caliper that wouldn't make a thicker part to enter. I'm trying to remember how I even put the old one I removed. So anyway, so what I did was I put this one, and so when you look at the old parts, you can see they have not actually worn that badly. The wear is not that bad, but the reason why, the most important reason why I did this replacement was last year the two front wheels had a brake binding issue. So I decided, after when I removed it, I had to take it to one mechanic. Let him just look at it. I knew it was the caliper, but let him look at it to know why it was. I just didn't have the time to start doing it here at home. But when he removed this, I saw that the issue was the pinion. The pinion pulled out, it stuck out too much, and meaning that the part inside has gone one more than it should, and the pinion didn't go back in. So over time, it started rusting around it. So it now started to cause binding. So that was why I decided to change the part. So, but even when I bought it out, you can see they were not really that bad. They still have some this thing. Yeah, when you check it with the new one is much thicker in terms of the gap between them. So I had to put back. I selected one of the old parts that was still good enough, so I put it here. So later on I'll figure out. So I'm going to keep this one. This is the new part, the remaining one. So I'm going to keep it, even still keep this remaining 3 here. So I still have 4 parts, 1 new and the old 3. So I'll drive, use the car, see what happens. If the new one becomes worse than this one I removed, then I may have to put back the old one or look for another brand. Remember, I'm more particular about protecting the disc, not the part. Because I can always get the part, but this disc, trust me, I'm not sure. I don't think you will understand. It's not even available outside Nigeria. It's very, very hard to get. So this is like a gold mine. So I don't want to mess with it. So the disc or the rotors is more important to me than all this part I'm doing. So the old one, kind of not that bad. At least it didn't damage the disc that much. It didn't damage it actually. Of course, wear and tear is expected. So but notwithstanding, I still have a spare disc that is still very, very good. A used one, still in good condition, but that is only one remaining, so I'm guiding it like treasure. Okay, so I'm going to mount back all the tires and drop the car down. So I know I spin the wheel and rotating normal. It's not binding. And I've press the brake pad and okay, so there's no binding. After I press the brake pad several times, the brake pedal several times, so and the wheel is still free. Let's see. Let me still guys understand. Let's see my feet. Man, this is my touch. Funny enough, I still managed to use it to do my work. So I press the pedal and I see. So not sure there's any need for update again. All I need to do now is to put back the tire and drop the car down. Okay, so that is it for this car. I didn't want to give anybody the car to change the part for me, because that's why I need to look at it to know if there's any issue. So I don't know, something is not right with this caliper. Not necessarily the caliper, I don't know. Later I'll figure out why this one refused to enter. We will have to take it to another technician so that two of us will put head together to know why. But that will depend on how, like I will observe the other side of the right side. If after some kilometer use it doesn't affect the brake and the stopping distance is okay, then I can now investigate further if why this is not entering the new part, so that if I can eventually get it to enter, I'll keep the old one. Okay, so that's it for this brake pad replacement for the 1986 505 V6 manual. Alright.